Today we'll be placing an M120 spring into an L85 Army gearbox. All you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver. First, you want to remove the magazine, and then right here is the pin on the other side. Is pushed out with your thumb, and then finished off by grabbing it and pulling it out. Then, point the gun upwards, put your hand on the cheek rest and push up, and then pull out slowly. Grab onto the fuse connector and undo that. Put the upper gearbox down somewhere. And here's your lower half. Now, there's another pin right here. Sometimes the teeth get stuck, so you just pull it out. Alright, so now you might need pliers to pull it out, but just grip it and pull. Now that that pin's out, put it down somewhere. Grab the back of the upper gearbox, pull up, and then push forward, and it should come right out. Now, there's 4 Phillips head screws, whatever. Run right here, one up here, and one down here. So, undo those.
Okay, now just a note for people with G&G L85s. The upper half of the gearbox here uses Allen wrenches instead of Phillips head screws. So yeah, just a note.
Now normally there's a Phillips head here, but I lost it, so don't be stupid like me. Now what you want to do is take the gearbox slide thing, whatever, and slide it off. Now it's ready to be opened. Place some fingers here and grab up from the top and pull up. And do it slowly so nothing flies out. Now grab right here and pull out the spring with the spring guide, and that's pretty much it. Now what you want to do is take this out, pull out the M110, pull on the M120, and then hold this down and place it back in. Make sure that the spring guide's teeth go into the correct slot. There's a slot right there where this is going to go in. Now that that's in, keep on holding down and grab the upper gearbox shell and put it back over. While still holding down. Now it's back together and ready to go. Slide the slide back on. It might take some force if you didn't put it back together. And put the Phillips back on. Make sure it's all nice and tight. Now, grab your lower gearbox and see this little tappet plate thing? Put it on the back half and then push, and then it just pretty much folds in. Now you want to put the pin back in, put it back in the same way it came out, and I just put it in the way and put it down with the quick break. Alright, now make sure it's in. Grab your upper gearbox. I mean, half, whatever. I also have to overdub this. Okay. Connect the fuse. Make sure that these cables are tucked back into here. Put this up here. This is a really tricky part. And then put in the pin. Insert the mag.
Yeah, epic win.
And I'll grab a battery. It's not coming off.
I'll cut it.